30 minutes of searching.
Button for non-service floor does not light up.
Here we go. Whee. These things are so quiet. Whoa. Not much out here. Hold on, send that one down. I want to hear the chime. Actually, let me. You like barely press. Those are amazing chimes. These were my very first Mitsubishi elevators back in 2019. Oh, our old friend came back. It's cool. This one's got the newer chimes. Oh, the alarm button's kind of broken. Oh, my ears are popping. Oh, I love those chimes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna try another one.
Okay.
Wait for that one to close. Or see if we could get one with the older chimes. If they could go first. Oh, whoa, it ranged up. Hold on, maybe it might.
Button, the non-service floor, does not light up.
Nope. All right, casino. We'll go. There it goes. All right, I'll actually get a cab view this time. These are beautiful elevators. Here's the cool part. That's cool. These buttons have definitely seen better days, on this car at least. Probably somebody waiting, so I'm gonna get off here. There you go.
Oh, thank you, sorry. Someone else is getting out.
These are such cool elevators. Anyways. That's interesting. Alright, there it goes. And that's it. Actually do want to get a... It's a nice image. Now, there are the low-rise cars. You can take a quick look at those. Let's see if we get this one. This is the one I remember riding back in 2019. Oh. Nope, we got this one. Which one? Which one, Rick? Which one?
3, 33.
Really bouncy. Have a good day, guys. These are the low-rise cars here. I figured I'd get them both in the same video. Oh, I love those chimes. All right, we'll send you down. These buttons, like, barely pressed. They're almost like touch sensitive. Oh, yes, we got this one. This is the one I wanted. These are amazing elevators. That door has seen better days. Ooh. Okay, we're taking this one for another spin. I just absolutely love these elevators. I cannot get enough of them. See, we hear that motor again. That was really nice. Coming up? Oh, that sounds amazing. Listen, this just goes up one floor. Watch this. That is an amazing motor. Casino, go back down. I have the MC. The floor numbering's weird because it goes from 23 and then straight to M and then C. See, now we're already at M. It doesn't like, it's a weird floor numbering scheme. And yes, I have the MC ones to film too, so I gotta get those now. Anyways, I basically got what I needed, so that's it.